Hello guys, welcome back to this new video. So myself Trend Hive Academy. In this video I am going to talk about what is Enroll, what is track 1, track 2, with pin, without pin, what is Enroll, like the same thing, but this is Enroll, I mean to say you will get it later. Understood? So this is about Enroll, and then I will talk about bank logs. I need to remove this because I don't have much suppliers, and I don't think under this you know all the things. So first let's cover this Enroll. What is Enroll? So if you need to understand what is Enroll, then you need to click on view details. So there is a clean interface. Here you can see types of Enroll. So first we should understand what is Enroll. Enroll is a type of CC. CC mean to say this is CC. In reality, the data which is transferred or stolen and sold over the internet, that looks like this. But here this is Enroll. Enroll is a type of CC where you will get login details of a person also. There you will get guaranteed balance. Here you can see $292.52. Here you can see $292.52. If you will try to log in using these ID pass, it will say that this is like I think the password should be changed or the card should be blocked. So for logging it, we will use this username and password. This I mean to say, if you need to understand what is Enroll, then understand it is like this. You will get card info plus email and ID password. In this email, first we should go to mailnesia.com, because Mailnesia is a type of temporary mail where you will put any username, you will get @Mailnesia. So here we are using James, so we will copy James, then here we will put it and login. Here without password you can log in. Here you can see somebody has tried for Unipin India. I think here is mobile number, it is, but we should not disclose any. So here you can see username and password. So we have username. I think the password will be wrong because or has been changed because or this whatever. Here you can see you have entered, and because this data is very old, when I made this website I have uploaded that data. At that time I sold it there, sorry, I sold this data, so that's why I took this as an example. So what is Enroll? Enroll is a type of CC where you will get CC details plus login ID and passwords. If here the scene is that now you will say this is wrong password, then you will also sell us the wrong password or any kind of issue. Then no, because this is a old data, so that's why it is not logging in. If you will come on my Telegram escrow group, so the Telegram is opening, let it open. So how can you find me? First thing, so just you have to go to Google or any, and you have to search Trend Hive Academy. The spelling should be correct or whatever. Here you will see something Trend Hive Academy, but you have to scroll down and come to blogger.com. When you will see the blogger.com Trend Hive Academy, you have to click on that, and here you will get many links. The links has been this link, this website link has been, sorry, this web page link has been given in the description also. You can check there also. So here you will see all the links. You need to join this group for seeing what kind of person I am a scammer or not. So here you can see I am doing escrow. I provide escrow services also. So here when you will come to my escrow group, here you can see I sold one Enroll to this person. His name is Kalu Kalia. Here you can see he got a balance of $1780. Understood? And its price was $120. So the scene was that not every time you will get the same thing. Like here I have mentioned $55, but not all the time you will get for $55. Prices vary according to the scenario and the current stock. So whenever you want to buy, you just need to come to my Telegram and ask me what is the current price of the stock of that Enroll, or whatever nearby balance you want, you can take according to that. So its starting price is $55, but not all the time that $55 stocks I have. Understood? So now you know how to find me, legit one, because many scammers are using my name also. So I hope now Enroll is clear, because Enroll is a type of CC but not like CC. Understood? Here you will get username and password. Not, this is a web based Enroll. There are different type of Enroll. Let me show you. Here you can see types of Enrolls. Then when you will click on it, it will redirect you to Drive. Here you can see there are 6 text files. In those 6 text files, these all are the types of Enrolls. When you will open it, then here you can see, let it open. So I hope you are understanding all the thing. Here you can see these Enrolls will work on the following banks. I mean to say, these are the banks of which if you bought these banks Enrolls, then what are these Enrolls include? Here you will get browser access like this. You will get a link of where to log in the card details through the credentials you got here. And one more thing, Enroll, let me explain. So Enroll is not work like normal CC, not work like normal CC. What happens here? Enroll means authorize, AUTHORISATION, authorization charge. Enroll directly means authorization charge, where authorization charge of $1 or $2 are cutted down. Are cut down. I mean to say, you have heard about Google Play, then Apple Pay, then PayPal. These have, if you have an NFC enabled card. See, Enroll was introduced in US by the banks to, I mean to say, Enroll sounds like something to enroll. So that works like that. So if you bought a Enroll and you are thinking that you will go to any website, go to any site and make payment using those card details, don't go on spellings, because I am typing many times. I do some mistakes, so don't worry for the spelling. I know the spellings, but I am just, these are just for what. Here you can see, I wrote something else instead of again $2. So let's say you know Google Play. Google Play does what? They cut a charge of $1 to $2 when when a card is added. Understood? And same applies for Apple Pay. Apple Pay also accepts NFC enabled cards. Now you will say, what is NFC? NFC enabled cards. Here you can see, NFC technology allows data transfer between an NFC tag and Android device. It means to say you can use to swipe those cards also on these kind of POS machines which supports the NFC technology. Because NFC is the main thing which plays a vital role in Enroll. Enroll is like when you will go and try to make payment directly using these credentials. Let's say you go to any kind of website like Ineba or G2A, you don't need to pay directly using these card details. What you need to do, you instead of going to that, you need to go to Google Play or Apple Pay or any kind of services which uses authorization charge, so that Enroll can be added. For using Enroll, you need to do what? Add it somewhere. And somewhere refers to this. Let's say cards will be added here. I am not writing Python like cards will be added here is equal to like that. So Enroll is equal to add it to somewhere, and somewhere refers to this parenthesis. Okay, so enroll, how to use enroll? You need to add it somewhere, and somewhere refers to card will be added here. Card will be added here refers to Google Play, Apple Pay, PayPal, or any kind of services which accepts NFC enabled cards. So what there will happen, they will cut the authorization charge and they will accept the card. If they accepted the card, then you just need to make payment. Through what? Through these services, not direct payment using these credentials. I hope you understood what is enroll, how it works. There are different types of enrolls. You can read here. Here you can see where the enrolls can be best used. Merchants, Stripe, Square, gift card shops, EU merchants, hotel ticket, crypto exchange, or whatever. Here you can study more about enroll, and the description is also much valuable. Now I have made the video, then you can watch the video also. So this was all about enroll. Now let's move to next topic, that is let's see that let's go to track 1 and track 2 data. My internet, I don't think so. This is my website. I will put this website in the description also. So we will now I will tell about track 1 and track 2 plus pin. What is this? Track 1 and track 2 are the data which are used mostly for card cloning. What is card cloning? So card cloning, here you can see credit card fraud. What is card cloning? Card cloning basically refers to you will get a blank card. On a blank card you will put the details of another person, including the magnetic strip with a kind of EVM or whatever you will do or whatever. What is track 1 plus track 2? I hope you understood. Track 1 and track 2 are used to clone a card on a, basically I mean to say, on a white kind of card. Let's say blank cards. Let me search. Yes, here you can see blank cards. On these cards, the scammers or hackers who steal data of track 1 and track 2, they will put the data with the magnetic strip with track 1 and track 2, and then you can use those data and to cash out through those. These are the different things. I am just explaining this just for educational purpose, because many people scam on these things and you will not got the accurate data. So if you would like to purchase this data from me, then what you will receive, you will receive a bin with code before purchasing. I mean to say, if you want this bin, track 1 plus track 2 plus pin, then you will get this, and this is the starting price, $80. You need to go up. There is no minimum, I mean to say there is no downwards. This is the starting price, $80 rupees for track 1 plus track 2 plus pin data. And the type is, you will get these data before purchasing. So for purchasing, the best thing is you need to contact me on Telegram. Here you can see, if you will click here Telegram contact, it will redirect to me. And be safe from a scammer, so always come from verified links which I have sent. Here the same thing, track 1 plus track 2 without pin. I don't know what is this used for, but if you want the data, then you can come to me. So here you can see enroll done, track 1 plus track 2 done. Now we will come to bank logs. What are bank logs? You learn about enroll. Now let's go to bank logs. Here we have to click on view details, and after bank logs you will get what? The name of the bank. Let's say if the data is captured from a anti-direct browser, then you will just need to transfer the cookies. It will literally bypass the authentication any kind if it has. Okay, so what you will get: full name, address, state, phone, carrier, text now, jelly, active or not, benefits, full online access, secure and private or whatever. Easy to use. Bank logs, I am removing this from now because I don't have much suppliers, and these comes at very high cost. Many people don't afford it, can't afford it, I mean to say. And so basically I mean to say that this was all about bank logs, and this all track 1 plus track 2. Here you can say it is used for card cloning. Enroll is used like a service of authorization charge. So I hope everything is explained very well, and you can buy many courses and stuffs from my website. And this is my new course which will be available in English soon. You can read this also. This is also one of my amazing courses. Here you will get what? Phishing via rat, mobile rat creation, SMM. Sorry, this is not like that. I have told about spamming in of website spamming, guys, not this. I need to update that. I will update. Google Dorking, SQL Maps, Telegram CC generator, any kind of bot using AI plus map phishing and all. So this was all in this video. So let's see you in the new video. If you want to purchase anything, come to my website. The link is in the description, and now you know how to find me. You just need to go in the description and click on the given link, and you will get all my links, and join all the links because I need growth much. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. Let's see you in the new video. Bye bye.